Sound therapy refers to a range of therapies in which sound is used to treat physical and mental conditions. Indigenous societies around the world have traditionally used sound in healing ceremonies, including drumming, hand clapping, singing, dancing, pulsating since the beginning of time. Sound therapy techniques vary, but all involve the application of sound waves and harmonic vibrations to the body through the use of instruments, including the human voice. Let me further explain. Sound helps to facilitate shifts in our brainwave state by using something called entrainment. Entrainment synchronizes our fluctuating brainwaves by providing a stable frequency which the brain can attune to. But wait, there's more. By using rhythm and frequency, we can entrain our brainwaves, and by then it becomes possible to downshift our normal beta state, which is our normal wakening consciousness, to alpha, which is relaxed consciousness. Then in hopes after that we reach something called theta, which is our meditative state. And then if all is well, we go to delta, which is where the real healing occurs. Basically, when we indulge in sound wave therapy, it's like having a gentle bath of sounds, allowing our body to let go and move into a deeper state of relaxation. And here at the J Wellness Studio, we are big on sound wave therapy. Sound therapy is effective in not only achieving a state of relaxation, but it also has a way of moving through blockages in the body. Sound therapy has been known to help treat such conditions as stress, anxiety, high blood pressure, depression, sleep disorders, pain, and autism. Sound therapy healing session typically lasts around 45 minutes or up to an hour, during which we can feel immersed and surrounded by sound. During about that amount of time is really when the sound waves can kick in and help a person get into a deep meditative mindful state, which is when the true healing begins. Now let's get into the top 3 benefits of how sound wave therapy can truly benefit you. Number 1 on our list is relief from stress. One of the greatest benefits that a person feels from sound wave therapy is relief from stress. The soothing sounds help to retune your brain to cope with stress better by replenishing brain energy with high frequency sound. Number 2 on our list is think more clearly. By using specific frequencies to help rebalance brain function, sound wave therapy can help you think clearer, avoid the temptation to rely on self-destructive and addictive habits. A healthy mind promotes a healthy body, and you can break the cycle of negative thinking and habits to enjoy a much calmer and focused life. And number 3, my personal favorite, get relief from many ailments. For all of you out there particularly dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, this is going to help really trigger that area to bring a sense of calmness and reduce the anxiety and the depression you feel. Remember folks, if you have an issue, the best thing to do is to go back to the basics. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.